Daria restaurant by Studio Zoo in Santander, Spain. In one of the oldest neighborhoods of the city is this place that has housed various restaurants throughout time, but whose walls were once part of an old fisherman's market in the area. The various interventions had superimposed a multitude of layers on the existing walls. The action consists of cleaning the space of coverings, flooring, false ceilings, layers of paint and superfluous elements until the original space is recovered and its essence restored. Thus, the mixed stone and brick walls, the oak beams and the plaster vaults are shown, giving the place its own personality that recovers the natural essence of the space. On this basis, an element is projected that reorganizes the space, leaving the service areas, kitchen, bar and toilets, in the lower part and the dining room in the upper part, which enjoys the double height created. For the construction of this artifact, steel is used exclusively, but in different formats, the structure being based on tubes and profiles and the enclosures combining blind plates and meshes according to the needs of each room, to create a spatial and perceptual continuity of the performance. A latticework of backlit metal chains that present a constant and slight sway is superimposed. This superimposition summarizes the action carried out, merging the metallic element as a representative of the new intervention and the recovered stone facing, establishing an interesting material dialogue that reveals the great difference between the two construction stages.